On the Google Classroom overview, I talked about the stream and how much I dislike it because it gets so cluttered. I tend to forget that there is a way to clean that up because it's not a habit yet. It's something that they've put in there new. So if you want the stream to be just announcements to your class, what you can do is you can come right up here to the settings on your stream page, and you can, under general, you're probably want to do only teachers can post or comment, but then on the classwork on the stream, you're going to do hide notifications. And once you do that, we hit save, you'll see that all of the posts have went away, and there's just a little thing here showing you how you can communicate with your class. If you do this, then the only thing that will be on here will be your announcements, which is a super nice change that Google made.